How Simbitis and only humans created fans of the Xtra app. We use our phones over 3 hours a day. So brands want to claim as much of that time as possible, resulting in 90 apps on the average smartphone and brands bragging about numbers of downloads. Yet in reality, half of all newly installed apps get deleted within a month. Colruyt Group's loyalty platform Xtra realized the true business value of an app comes from active users rather than app downloads. But the Xtra app was primarily used to get discounts, and not for its many features that make life easier, such as helping you make grocery lists, monitor your shopping budget, collect loyalty points to plant trees, find recipes, and so much more. To promote all these features, we turned the brand promise, making life easier, into content that effectively makes consumers' lives easier. Explaining how the features work, but also delivering helpful content for an ultra-diverse target audience via blog articles on the Xtra website, which were widely promoted via captivating social content such as recognizable chats and challenges. We also engaged influencers to show life hacks involving the Xtra app and told Xtra's story through native articles working with local sales houses. As a result, we got 513,323 people to actively use the Xtra app, which corresponds to a staggering 24% increase. We woke up sleeping users, increasing the amount of features used by 95% and the average amount of features used per user by 57%, creating a solid base of fans of the Xtra app.